This is a motorbike that needs to be washed. You can see how dirty the motorbike is, from the wheels to the engine's cover. Let's see if the bike can be washed with the automatic motorbike wash machines. Now, we use the automatic motorbike wash machine to clean the bike. Let's see how it does. The pre-wash process is recommended to apply for washing very hard dirt bikes. It takes half of a minute. If your bike be washed regularly, this step may be no need. Use handy nozzle and detergent liquid to remove hard dirt on areas that need special attention, such as on the wheels, the rims. The pre-wash process will help loosen stubborn stains and rise as much of it away as possible, making the cleaning process become more easier and effectively. Now move the motorbike to the machine and position it on the jack. Then lock the bike handle grips by the machine's handcuffs. Now it's done for preparations. We will press the auto button to operate the machines. In the washing process, the jack system will be moving your motorbike forward. Snow foam is automatically sprayed over the motorbike. At the bottom of the washing chamber, there are two plastic brushes which remove dirt from the motorbike wheels and the exterior engine block. Harder from the bottom is the two cloth brushes. Rotate strongly to effectively clean the motorbike body. Water comes out from precious nozzles, rise off foam on the bikes. All process is automatic. When the motorbike reaches the end of the washing chamber, it is moved automatically backward. The side brushes move in reverse to clean again the motorbike. Similarly, the bottom brushes move in reverse and wash the wheels of the motorbike. The motorbike is washed and rise 2 times when it goes forward and move backward. The whole process is only 2 minutes and a half. Now we will check to see if the motorbike is clean or not. Almost dirt is removed, the bike is well clean. So if you are interested in our motorbike wash machine, you can contact me through my WhatsApp number 849021511353 or email to me. We have three models of the motorbike wash machine. They are space saving model, the standard model, and even the conveyor model.